Happy morning, children. A fantastic Friday for you all. Okay? Yes, you all. I hope you all are fine. Everybody is asking the same question in all the sessions. I think the sentence may be getting boring for you. Okay, children, let it. What you are seeing on the screen? The word social, the word equality, that is highlighted, that is bold. Okay, past 1 week we discussed about the equality and inequality. We discussed equality. Yes, we struggled with the equality. Yes, children, it's 10% correct. The whole world, all the democratic country, it's a challenge for them to bring in the equality in the country. Okay. Yes, you are probably wondering that India is the only country where there is inequality and where the equality and where the struggles for equality continues to exist. Yes, am I correct? You're thinking, I'm wondering like this. Are India only having the inequalities? We think always like that, yes, no? Yes. Your statement, my statement, your thinking or my thinking is correct or not? We'll see. Yes, children. Today we're going to see how equality in other countries, okay? Because in the previous session we discussed about equality in Indian democracy. Today equality in other countries. Yes, children, who is on the screen? Say his name. That's what he kept. What was his name? Do you know the name of him? Why? Are you think he was a famous person? Or a celebrity? Or a hero? Then, what is back on him? Yes, he is the popular face for the past 3-4 weeks in America and in the world also. Yes, children, what is the reason? How he became a famous person? His name was George, a 46 years old person in America. He was not a celebrity, hero or a famous person. He's a normal person. Okay. But how he became famous person? On 27 May 2020, he arrested and attacked by the policeman in Minnesota. The policeman arrested him and in front of public, in a public place, he kept his knee on George's neck. He choked him minute and minute. George screamed and he unable to breathe. The people who witnessed around this incident, they begged to the police, begged to the police to take his knee from George's neck, but the police refused. At last, George died. He was killed by the police. What was the reason? Even though he was not a criminal, he killed in a cruel way. The people in that area saying, or in America, this is because of racial discrimination, because of the color. Okay, children. After that, there was a big protest burst and held in America to getting judge for the Floyd, that is George Floyd, justice for. Yes, children, this only happening around the world. In India, there is we only not having the discriminations. We only not struggling with discrimination all over the world. Yes, issues of equality in other democracies. The democratic countries around the world face the issues related to equality in the form of community struggles. Next. Yes, today in our lesson, in our chapter, they are given about the racial discrimination which is practicing in America. That only we are going to see elaborately. In America, African Americans who ancestors were the slaves who were brought over from Africa continues to describe today as largely unequal. Yes, the people, the Africans who were lived now in America, they are ancestors brought from the Africa as a slaves. Okay, as a slaves they are brought from the Africa. So still they are largely treated as a unequal, till they are treated unequal. This despite that fact that there was a movement in the late 1950 to push for equal rights for African Americans. Prior to this, African Americans were treated extremely unequally in the United States and denied equality through law. For example, if a black person and travel in a bus, if a white person came inside to the bus means immediately the black person should not sit in the seat. They should give their seat to the white person. In that way, the unequal is practiced in those days in America. Listen. Yes, Rosa Parks, woman, was an African woman. Tired. She was very tired because she worked for a long hours. She entered to a bus and sitting. Okay. And she refused to give up her seat on a bus to white man on 1st December 1955. What happened? Her refusal that day started a huge agitation. Agitation means people are not satisfied. People are unsatisfied with the government or other movement against the unequal ways in which African Americans were treated, which came to be known as the Civil Rights Movement. Because of this great protest there, they started the Civil Rights Movement because the Rosa Parks refused to sit in her seat. Yes, listen. What the Civil Rights Act saying? The Civil Rights Acts of 1964, the writers was started in 1964, prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion or national origin. Here we already hear race because the color. Religion, well known because in India we practiced a lot of religions. And the national origin, the birthplace of a person. Here national origin means they are saying about the Africans, because their origin is Africa. It also stated that all schools would be open to African American children, and that they would no longer have to attend separate schools, especially for them. Even though they are giving the Civil Rights Acts everything, but still the African Americans studied in the government school, it also not good qualified. Yes, most African American children can only afford to attend government schools that have fewer facilities and poorly qualified teachers as compared to white students who either go to private schools or live in areas where the government schools are highly rated as private schools. Yes, children, did you understand? In that areas, they kept a separate schools for the African American peoples, students. That schools is not that much facilitated and also there is no quality teachers that even though if they are ready to admit in the government schools, that is highly rate for these peoples. Yes, children, it's very human dignity is the most important human right from which all other fundamental rights derive. Yes, no, children. Yes, right to equality, right to freedom, right to religion, culture, education, right to against exploitation, whatever is there. But a human dignity want to be respected. First, as a human, we need the respect from equal from other persons. Here, human dignity is the most important human right from which all other fundamental rights derive. Yes, children. Yes, the people of America and Africa, they are asking the racism that should be avoided, that should be eradicated from their places. Because the racism is the great discrimination in their areas. Here I am giving a Martin Luther King, a great personality who sacrificed his life for the black people rights. I am giving a message, I am giving the informations about him. You just go through it. It's additional for you. And another person, Nelson Mandela, father of the nation, he also sacrificed his life for the African people. Okay, International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Yes, children, what the article of the Indian Constitution is saying, no citizens, this is the amendment, no citizen shall on ground only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of the birth, or any of them, be subject to any disability, liability, restriction or condition with regard to. First, they are saying access to shops, public restaurants, hotels and places of public entertainment. We already studied, go through this very well. Okay, all the people have the rights to access the public places and public utility. Then the use of wells, tanks, that is the public places, the use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats and places of public resort maintained wholly or partially out of state funds are dedicated to the use of the general public. This they are saying Article 15 in Indian Constitution. Yes, challenge of democracy. Democracy means what, Kane? The people of the country have the chance to elect their own representative, or the head of the country or nation elected by the people of the same country. Okay, that is democracy. Here, what is the principle for a democratic country? We discussed in the previous sessions. What is the principle for a democratic country? Basic principle, equality. Okay, equality is the basic principle of the democratic country. Here, challenge. What is their challenge? No country can be completed democracy in the world. Okay, that means there is no full equality. There is equality still practiced in all over the country. Then, communities or individuals always try to expand the idea of democracy or press for greater recognition of equality on existing and new issues. Okay, communities or individuals always try to expand the idea of democracy. Yes, at last, all the government emphasis is on to maintain dignity of individual, that they should respect their diversity, they keep the equality and unity. Yes, children, in this lesson we saw about the racial discriminations of the practiced in America, in almost in all the other countries in the world. Yes, racial discriminations. What happened in America? Their ancestors who were brought from the Africa. Yes, they were described today as largely unequal. A Rosa Parks woman. A Rosa Parks was a woman. He was travelled in a bus. He was refused to sit her in a seat. That's why the Civil Rights Act movement was started. Even though they started with the civil rights movement, they asked to give the equal rights to study their children in the same school, but still they are studied in the poor school with not facilities, and human dignity was important other than all the rights. Racial discrimination want to eradicate. Martin Luther King and Nelson Mandela, who are the great personalities to dedicate their life for the poor people. Article 15 is saying everyone is equal, everyone is used to the public access, the rights to access the public places and public utility. And challenges, no countries are a complete democracy. Communities try to expand the idea of democracy, then emphasis to maintain dignity of individuals. The ancestors of Dash community were slaves in the United States brought from America. African Americans. Dash was an African American who refused to sit her seat on a bus to white man. Rosa Parks. What led to the civil rights movement? Because Rosa Parks refused to sit her in seat. The Dash Act, Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis religion or national origin. Thank you, children.